Yesterday at stage, we've seen this over and over and over again. It's right here, cover right here. Before he drapes or locks or anything, hands on come up. Your elbow goes behind the knee. And pull on the heel, elbow goes behind the knee right here. Pull on, driving. And then circle this way, pushing on belly down. That's all it is.
Can you do it 2 more times?
Jack, come over and do this 2 times. You shoot it and finish it nice and slow though. Square stance, right? Square stance. There you go. Drops down, stop. Up behind the knee, circle, and works up. I didn't want the kids bringing the arms straight up over the head. That's why it's supposed to be. Yeah, we used to go high hand up, we got away from that because of the underhook and underneath coming out.